So now let's see how we can customize the header in WoodMart theme. So to edit the header, you can hover to WoodMart and here you will see header builder. So you can click on edit current header. So here you see the logo. When you click on edit, you will see the current logo. So if you want to change it, just click on it. And here you can search for logo. And when you will search for it, you will see the logos. You can click on this white logo. Here you can see the dimensions of the logo. So you can create a new logo with the same dimension so that it will appear exactly like this. And there will be no alignment issue. So for that, just go to canva.com. It's a free tool where you can create design and we can log in and here click on create a design and enter custom size and just go to the header builder and here see the values 36953 and you can enter this, create a new design. And here if you already have a logo, you can upload your logo and just resize it. Otherwise you can use any of the template or maybe you can just create your own logo. So let me just create a simple logo. And download the logo. If you have paid Canva Pro, then you can download this transparent. Otherwise, you can just download it and you can go to the website called remove background. And when you will upload your logo over here, then it will give you transparent logo so that it will not show any background. Like here you can see a black background, so it will not show that. So download the logo in HD. Over HD, you just need to log into the website. So after that, go to the header builder and here you can upload the file, use the image and here you can see it's updated. And just do not change the other settings, otherwise the logo alignment gets gets worse. And here you can click on mobile and you will see the mobile settings over here. Click on the logo and here you have the WoodMart logo again. Just click over it and here select the new logo and just click on save changes. And by the way, here you also see the settings for the sticky header, but you don't need to upload your logo because it will just use the same logo as the regular header if you are not uploading any logo in the sticky header. If you want to use a different header, different logo in sticky header, then you can change that definitely. When you scroll down here on your website, when you scroll down, you see this sticky header. So this is the header basically. So if you want to use a different logo over here, then you can just upload a different logo in the sticky header. So just click on save and now let's click on settings. And here if you want to make it full weight or you want to change anything like the drop down or something, then you can definitely do that. So just click on save and now go back to the website and click on refresh. Here you can see the new logo and when we scroll down we see this logo as well. And here you can see the account thing is now gone. So let's click on inspect and see the mobile version. So here's the mobile version. Here you can see the things. So after that you need to click on this header builder option and currently we have changed this one, so we also need to update these ones which are the different versions. Like if we go to this compare page, then you see this different header. So for these ones we also need to update the logo and this option separately. Now let's download this logo in black color. We can make the background white and we can change the color. Now let's go to remove BB and download this transparent color. So just click over here and update the logo. In this light one, you can upload the dark logo, and dark one, you can upload the light logo. So all of them are done. So let's refresh. So they are updated. If you have any question, just reach me out on my website via the contact form. All the contact details are provided in the description, and I will also provide the links for the web hosting that I recommend and I personally use in the description of the video. If you will purchase the web hosting or theme or anything using the link provided in the description, then I will receive a little bit of commission that help me create these type of free videos for you. So that's it for the video. Like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to my channel for more related videos. See you next time.